Hello, coders, and welcome. This is our very first playlist, and we hope to receive lots of love and support from you. During this tutorial, if you face any issues, do let us know in the comment section. So, with that out of the window, here is the agenda topics regarding this playlist. We will start with understanding how to install Next.js and all its dependencies. Then we will learn a little bit about advanced JavaScript concepts. Subsequently, then we will take a deep dive about React topics like hooks and props. And we believe that it's paramount to understand these fundamental building blocks before jumping into the coding. So without further ado, let's get started. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. And before clicking next, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.